Tell me where the freak's at.
I'm a good boy. Oh, hey guys, Big Ben Motor Vlogs here. How is everybody doing? So just gonna do a exhaust review, but not on my bike. So this is Shonie's bike, Shonie Malonie, that I normally ride around with. This is his MT-07 in the race blue, and he's recently got a brand new exhaust, which is the BlackWidow. Ooh, BlackWidow. Quite a nice exhaust, very nice exhaust. So these can come in quite a few different looks. He's gone for, I believe it's just the stainless steel with the carbon tip, and it does look really nice, really nice and solid. And I quite like the big sticker just to tell you which one it is. And funnily enough, it's really strange being on somebody else's bike. It always is. It's just like, oh Christ, oh no. Yeah, this is a bit strange going on somebody else's bike, but it's, to be honest, it's quite a nice sound. At the moment, obviously, baffling. Obviously I haven't got any tools or anything to take baffle out, but there's plenty of videos online of it. So I'm going to give you a quick little rev up. I'm going to go along some of the roads, show you what it's like, and yeah, just give him a start up. So I'll give you just the standard walk around with it just idling first of all. So this is a warm bike anyway. So that's at idle. So it's a nice little rumble afterwards. Give it a walk around. Yeah, so it's not obnoxious at all. Definitely not obnoxious. Then we give a little bit of a rev up. Nice. So that's going about 4k revs, 4-5k revs. It's quite nice actually. It's not too bad, is it? Not too bad. Try not and get the number plate in. Good boy. And then I'll give it a rev up to full. Very nice. I'll give you one more time as well. Very nice. So I'll give you a little bit of a on the road kind of little test for you now, and yeah, see what it's like. So this is kind of like on the bike noise. On the bike does sound quite nice. Clutch is so far out. Nice little after run. Too bad. Oh, nice little couple of little pops afterwards. Yes, I'll be back, Shonie, I'll be back. Oh, clutch, come on. Decent. Okay, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Nice, not too bad, like, not too bad at all. No, it is nice. It's a nice sound to it, very nice. It's quite a raspy, yeah, it's quite a raspy kind of noise. It's really nice. I'll turn around up here now. We can go back down. Oh, it's only a short little review, see what it's like on the road as well. 6th gear, what does it sound like in 6th? Yeah, nice little rumble in 6th. Not too bad at all, really. Nice, lovely little rumble in 6th. take a... Yeah. Oh, it's decent. It's decent. Because this exhaust at the moment is $299. Yeah, so $299, decent price. You know, over like the Akrapovics, which are what? seven, nearly 800 quid. No, I paid about 600 quid for mine. Yeah. Doesn't seem as deep as the Acra. Not as deep with baffling. Don't know what this would sound like baffle out. It's supposed to be silly crazy baffle out. Yeah, it's got that little brap in it. Oh, it's a nice sound. It's a really nice sound. Yeah, but for $299, if you need a cheap exhaust for the MT-07, it is crazy. It's really good. It's really good quality, really good sound, and I definitely would recommend getting one if you are looking for a nice cheap MT-07 exhaust. Give you another quick little look here now. It's really nice. Really nice look to it. Bit of a bargain really for $299. It's just a full system. You know, that's not just the muffler, that's your whole pipe, that's everything together, you know, everything. Sorry, Shonie's bike, I'm so sorry. I am so sorry, Shonie's bike, but you have to do this to a performance exhaust. You know, you want to get like the best possible noise out of an exhaust. Yes, but BlackWidow, $299.99. I'm not sure whether it's made, I think it's in the UK, but if they're for immediate dispatch anyway, yes, it's a bit of a bargain. I'll leave the links down below. Nice little bit of after run. Lovely little bit of after run actually. So I'm going to do a couple of flybys hopefully now. I think that's what we got planned.